So on this video, we are going to learn about GetResponse and how we can create a free account of GetResponse. So on your Google, if you search for GetResponse, the first link that we have are for GetResponse website. So let's click on it, and it will take us to GetResponse website. Also, the GetResponse website is www.getresponse.com. So as you can see over here, we have the landing page on which all of their marketing solution and tools that we have will be shown over here, and also we will find the price plan for GetResponse. So as you can see over here, we have all the price plan. So let's go and see all of their offerings. So as we have come to the pricing, you can see that GetResponse pricing and plan for everyone, where we have free. Also, we have email marketing, marketing automation, and e-commerce marketing. So you can choose them for monthly, for 12 months, or 24 months. So for this lesson of learning, we will use this free version where we will get 2500 newsletter per month, one landing page, one website builder, connection to our domain, sign up forms, and pop up. So let's go and create it. So over here, you can see that we have sign up for free button on top. Also, we have a create free account. So any of this button could help us to create the account. So let's click on it. And after clicking on it, we can give our full name. Let's give my full name over here. And we can give the email ID. And let's generate a password. So make sure that when you're using a password, all of the requirement is covered. So as you can see, all of the requirement is covered. Let's create our account. So it will take some time to create our account. As you can see right now, we will be shown to their pop-up where they're thanking us, and we have to activate it with our Gmail account. So let's go to the Gmail account, and over here we got the mail. So let's open it, and on this you can see that we have the activation link or the button. So let's click on it, and it will redirect us to a new interface. We will able to see a form. On that form, we have to give all of the information for the company. You can set a company name. If you don't have, you can just put your country. Let's put it to USA. United States. Let's change it and accept it. So as you can see that I have filled up the form, my address, zip code, city, and state, and let's head to our next step. So right now it is taking us to a new step where we have to use our phone number for verification. As I have received my verification, let's put it over here. And my account have been verified. So now, as you can see that, what do you want to focus on first? So they have few templates: build my audience, send emails, promote my store. So as we are trying to be a master in GetResponse, let's skip all of this preset and let's explore by our own. So let me click on I prefer to explore on my own. And we have able to successfully create our GetResponse account. So they're welcoming us to GetResponse. So let's ready to roll. So now you can choose a plan, or maybe later on we can choose a plan. So let's go to our dashboard. So after that, you can explore it by yourself, or you can take a tour. Let's explore by ourselves. And over here we have just started off. So let's just hide this thing down and let's explain what's going around. So as you can see over here, we have some cards. Over here we have quick action, newsletter, tip centric, and affiliate program. Also, we have add new widgets. So these cards are known as widget, and we can add more widgets on it. So let's click on this plus button, and here are our widgets library. So as you can see over here, we have so many widgets. So let's go through them. So first we have quick action, where as in a single place you can pick any action that you want. Then we have list size, where we can find all of our listing in a single slide. Even sign up source, new contact, blog update, autoresponder, our company website, landing page, web forms, workflow, conversion funnel, explore get response, funnel report, program performance, e-commerce, and quick start checklist. So let's add few of them to our dashboard. So for now, let's use this list size, and it will appear to our dashboard. Also, let's add website. Even let's add autoresponder. Great. So now we have able to add our widget. So right now we might think how we can remove some of them. So if we go to tip and tricks, let's go right click over here, and you see that we have remove widgets. Let's click on it, and the widget will be gone. So let's do the same for newsletter as well. So through this, you can really customize your dashboard according to your need. All right. So this far, I hope you have understood. Now let's go and look to their tools, what they are offering on this GetResponse website. Let's go to the tool, and first you can see that we have this contact. On this contact, we will have all our contact listed over here. Then we have email marketing, through which we can send email very easily. Also, we have autoresponder. Then we have website builder, on which we can create our website. We can add our own domain website as well. We have this landing page, form and pop-ups, forums, report, e-commerce tool, automation, webinar, conversational funnel, paid ads, chat, and web publish notification. So on this chat, you can talk to them anytime, 24 hours, and they will help you out if you have any issue with GetResponse. Also, they have added new features such as form and pop-up, e-commerce tool, web hooks, and web connect. Also, integrate an API. You can integrate any type of API that is available for GetResponse, and also you can manage all the files and images. Also, down below you can see that custom top menu. So on the top we have this menu, contact, email marketing, report. These are something that is more often used, or if you want to use the most favorite one, or the one you're utilizing the most, you can click on this custom, and you can easily move them according to your need. If I just move all everything around, let's hit save setting, and you can see all of my top preference have been changed. So for example, I want to add my website over here and remove the contact. So let's do it. Let's go to this custom top menu. Let's remove this contact. Let's select website builder. All right. Now we have the website builder added. Let's hit save the setting, and you can see on top we have website builder. Great. So you have understood how you can utilize this dashboard. So let's move on to the next part, where we are going to add our email, from which all of this listing of email would be sent. So we will go to this profile menu. Let's go to profile, and let's go manage account. So on the manage account, we will go to our landing page domain. So we will go to email address, and on this email address we have logged in with Gmail account, but I prefer that you have your own webmail, so that the email you're sending have been placed properly, because when you send through Gmail, most of your email might go to spam. So how can you add your own domain webmail? So go to this add email option. Over here, you can give your name of that domain and your email address. So loveforostrom.life is my website, and for this we will use our domain webmail. So let's hit add, and we have to verify our new email address. All right. So now what we have to do is we have to go to our webmail and find out and approve it. So as you can see that on my webmail, I have able to get the confirmation code. Let's hit confirm, and it will approve it. And right now you can see that my webmail have been confirmed. All right. So right now we will make this as set as default, so that all of my mail listing will go from this loveforostrom.life. Great. So right now we will go to this tool option, and under that we are going to create the contact. So let's go to and click on this contact. After clicking over here, you can see that we already have a default contact list. Unfortunately, we cannot delete this contact list. As you can see, there is no option, but we can create different contact lists for different purpose or different projects. So let's go and create a list. So as I click on this create list, you can rename that list. So for this example, we are going to create a list who want to have a webinar with us for live lesson, for example. All right, and we will hit OK, or we will click on create. All right, now you can see that we have able to create a contact list. Under that, on the corner, you can see that we have many other options. So now let's go to the settings and find out how we can customize it. So under this list, you can make sure your listing name is proper. This listing name would be shown to you, but not to the people whom you're sending all your emails. All right, so when you see this list name, this is the list name that you will be shown, and then the list title, you can set a list title as well. Then you have the option for list description. You can even select the category of your list. So for example, this is an educational, or all right, it's an educational one. Then you can select language. Even you can show postal address, or you can hide it, or you can make a custom, and then you can place your logo and your website link. And if you hit save general setting, it will be saved. So let's go to this subscription option. So over here you can see that we have send subscription notification. So when somebody subscribe to your email list, every time they subscribe to your mail, you will get a notification, and you have to confirm them. So basically I don't keep it as selected. I will just off it. And then we have required additional confirmation, web subscription, API subscription, blog subscription, which is used for basically HTML and CMS format. And then we have confirmation page. So let's see, click on this preview, and you can see that when somebody subscribe to your email list, they will be shown something like this. All right, and then we can also create a URL. So you create your own thank you letter, and you can just paste your URL over here, and it will show them the thank you page. Also, if somebody is unsubscribing to your page, the page will be shown something like this. So when somebody is unsubscribing your email list, they will be shown to this page. Then you have newsletter directory. This is how the newsletter directory will look. And then we have index in search engine. All right. And after that, we have confirmation message, where which message format should be sent, HTML or plain text. And then you have subject line. So let's confirm your subscription, or you can just place their first name, and then you can send them your confirmation is requested, and from where this email have been going, and the place where the email will be forward, and so on. So basically keep most of the thing, keep it as default, and you're good to go with your first contact list. All right, so this is how you can create your contact. So now let's go to tool and see what more we can do with GetResponse. So let's go to the web builder. Let's build a website first. So right now it's loading. So as you can see over here, we can create a site and promote our business online. So let's go and create our first website. So let's create on this button. And over here we have three options. So how we want to build it, right? So we have use ready-made template. Also we can use AI powered builder and import a website. That is not available right now, but hopefully on the later update we will get to import our website as well. So let's go and try the AI powered builder. Great. So what type of business do we have? For example, we have motivational. All right. Would be other, or we can say educational website. All right. What kind of website do you think you want to build? So we want to build an educational website. All right. So let's go to the next step. After that, here are our after that you can see that these are their recommendation what you can use for your website, but let's select all of them. We want to use all of them into our website. So let's go and select next. And now we can select our color. So here are few color palettes from which we can use it. So for this example, I will use this beginning color, and we can also upload our logo, or if we would like to import style from existing website, we can do that as well. So let's just select this beginning one and let's hit next. After that, we have to fill out the company's detail. Let's give the company name like Layson. Great. Next step. So they are getting our website ready, and all of our website will be done with AI technology. So we have to wait for some time to complete this process. All right, now we have been placed to a new interface where we can pick our design. So they have suggested us these three type of website template. Let's go and preview the website. This is the first design that they have suggested us. All right, and we can just go to the next one, see their preview, how it looks. Great. Now let's see the third one as well. So I think the third one looks good to me. So I'm gonna use the third one. So use this design. So now our website will be uploaded, and from here we can redesign our website. That's great, right? So after that, we have to redesign the website. So as you can see over here, we have a plus sign. where we can drag and drop new elements. So if we click over here, we get all of the basic elements. Also, set the look of your site. We can click over here and we can place our heading, our colors for this website as well. Add, delete, or reorder your page. From here, we can reorder all of our page between different pages. All right, and then we have to save it and publish it. Great. So now let's go and give a title. So over here, the title would be live lesson, and we can make this call to action button and edit it. For editing that, when I click over here, you see that we have some more option where we can give click to join. All right, and we can give a URL where they can join, and we can take them to new tab or the same time as well. All right, so then we go down here and we can also write the title. So the title for this, we can say that join with us. And over here, you have the sign up form where people, when people sign up from here, all of this data will be collected on our contact list. And down below, we have an YouTube link, or you can paste any of the video links. All right, so this is how you change it. Then if I want to change the menu bar, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 menus. We can also edit it. So how to do that? After clicking on this, we can just drag it. Also, we can simply go to every pages. For example, let's go and delete member area. All right, so I want to delete this page, right? So let's go to this manage page, and over here we are going to delete this page. Very easily we have able to delete the page. Also, we can add pages if we want. We click on this add page menu. Over here we can select a template. For example, we select this template, and we can give this page name as shop, and that's all you have to do. And in between this, you can just change or replace the image. You can just look for the image from here. Let's just use this as a demo. And then you can change all of the description, even the button. So this is very easy way to drag and drop your website. And also you can add social media links over here, add more platform such as TikTok, YouTube, and you just paste your TikTok and YouTube links over here. All right, so after you complete with all of your design to your website, this is very easy. You just have to give some time so that it looks perfect. After that, we will hit save. And it will take some time to save all of the changes that you have made so far. And then we will click on next connect domain. So once we click on connect domain, we will be redirected to a page where we can give the website name. For example, this one is live lesson, and then we can write https live lesson dot getresponse.com or getsite.com or grwebsite.com. So let's just keep one of them as our website right now. Also, if you are a little bit in a professional side, you can connect your own domain. So what will happen that lifelesson.com would be the domain that time. So let's try to connect it or give you an idea how to do that. You just write your website name, right? You add your domain, for example, life lesson webinars.com and you hit add, and you have to make all of the changes. You have to remove the name server, and you have to add all of these get response server name into your cpanel. All right, so that's some difficult stuff, but for now let's just use the free version that GetResponse is offering. So live lesson, website name also live lesson, and let's publish it. All right, great. So now we have our website live. So if you use this link from here, you will able to see the website, and this is completely free from GetResponse. So you can see that all of the changes that we made on a website have been placed over here. Great, right? Now you can see that we haven't connected any domain. So when you connect your domain, the domain name will add up over here. Also, you can see the performance of about the page view, how many people are visiting, and the unique visitor that you have. Also, the traffic over time, and all kinds of information that is needed to maintain your website. Great. And now you might have thought to make changes on the summary list here. So how can you do that? You just go to edit your website. And if we go down below over here and we want to change it, let's write this is the summary of the website, right? All right. So then let's publish it, and we will able to see all of the changes on the website that is live right now. So let's refresh this page, and you can see that we have able to change it. So let's try to do it, and do it by yourself. Sometimes take some time to do it. You can add your galleries over here. You can even add your testimonials, contact, make the changes as you want, and add elements to it. So let's now go to tools, and let's go to website builder back again. And you can see that we have one website that have been published over here, and you can unpublish it as well. You can publish it depending on your need. Also, if you want to duplicate this or you want to delete it from this corner, you can just delete them, duplicate them. You can add domain, even edit site settings as well. So let's go to edit site setting. Let's see what happens over here. So over here, you have thought that you want to redirect this web design to your domain name. Just go over here, disconnect it, add or upgrade your account, and you can easily change your website design from GetResponse to your own domain name. All right. And over here, you can see all of the analytics and everything that is needed. Basically, this is all that you have right now to do with your website. Also, on this domain part, when you connect a domain, for example, this is pending. When it is your DNS and everything have been placed in your cpanel, that time it will be activated, and you can disconnect the one that is right now activated. So this is all we have for this website. Let's now move to another tool of GetResponse. So now let's move to this landing page option. So what is landing page? Landing page is a page where you only have a single page. So design page on their drag and drop where no code would be needed, and this is a single page that we will be designing right now. So let's go and create a landing page. So on this landing page, you can see that there are so many templates from which you can choose. So let's select one of them, or you can build anything from scratch. So let's just select one of the landing page. So customer engagement and so on is there. So let's select something related to webinars. So when I select this webinar, you can see that few of the webinar landing page have appeared. So let's just use one of them. So let's click on it and let's give this landing page name as live lesson, and let's go to next. So as you can see that we have to wait for some time to make sure our landing page is loaded, because they are using a template which is already have been designed. So all right, so you don't have any scheduled webinar, you can add only upcoming webinar here. So all right, let's go and schedule our webinar first. So let's give a title of the webinar, a live lesson. All right, we will add basic settings. Let's select a date. For example, let's select March 3 at 7 p.m. Save this lobby message. Uh, Wait for some time, and it will come to default get response page. Let's hit save. Okay, and register and subscription setting, let's edit it. Over here from address and the register list, we can use live lesson as a list, and we will save it as well. So now let's hit create. Once we are done with that, we will able to create our webinar page. So you can see that we have created our webinar. This is the webinar link, and we can manage live webinar, manage on demand webinar, send an invitation, and create another one. So let's go back from there, and we can uh, now edit this landing page. So for example, let's edit it with free of webinar on live lesson, and we can give a title, life is beautiful. Now the webinar title, live lesson. You can get registered from this button. You can change or replace it. Let's replace with the free get response one. All right, and you can add all of your webinar documents or all of the topic that you're gonna cover. You can just put it over here, change put your logo, you can have a registration link over here, and that's how you can create this landing page. Also, you have many other settings over here, like drag and drop section. Let's click on it. You can see that very easily you can drag and drop. You have this product box, uh, the text option button. So let's go down here and let's use. All right, so we can select a section. For example, let's take a section over here, and on this section we will bring image, right? And we want to put that image over here, and we want to bring some text as well. Over here we can create the text, and we can move around the pictures and the text. Also down below, I want to add social media platforms like like and tweet options. Also we can drop some countdown. So for example, if we want the countdown, we can start from here. All right, and we save it. So pretty easily you can create such a beautiful template with all of the tools that you have right now. For example, we don't want this place to be holding this, and we want this time counter to be placed over here. Let's drag it over here, place a time. All right, so now join our webinar, and here are the time, how much time we have to join the webinar, and they can register. So pretty easily you can do that. After that, we will go to the next step. So continue without mobile version. So they have a mobile version as well. This is the mobile version that we have, which would be responsive. So when you see on your mobile phone, the landing page would look something like this. Now let's go to preview, and we can see our landing page on mobile. The landing page would look something like this. Just wait a moment to be shown on this mobile phone demo. So this is how your landing page will look on mobile phone. Also on the desktop, let's click on this desktop. It will take some time to load, and this is how it will look on desktop and your mobile phone. So now let's go and go to the next step. A mobile version, they are asking to you edit our thank you page. So this is the thank you page that we have. So thank you for signing up with AI. Let's write like lesson. You can put your date, your confirmation. So once somebody have been registered, this page will come to the person who have registered for your webinar. So let's go to next step. And over here you can see that my landing page setting, where you can do your SEO. You can write your page title, give description, don't index in search engine. Or what this means is that if you click on this, Google won't be searching or putting your landing page on the search engine. Also you can create your get response URL, landing page URL, like live lesson. Let's select subscribe me now.com, and you can also add your own domain, as we have already discussed. Also you can choose a list. For example, from this subscription I want to put their contact on live lesson list, and I don't want them to confirm option, and daily cycle, and default thank you page. Or even you can custom your thank you page, and you can place your URL. After that, you have this analytics and ranking. You can select which analytics platform you want to use. You can use Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, Kissmeter, and so on. After that, you have Google Ad Conversation Track. So the Google Ad Conversation ID, you have to place it on this box, and that's all you have to do. And after that, if you hit publish, the landing page would be published on a website. So now you can see that, well done, we have already published our landing page. So after that, we can create another landing page. Also we can view our page online. So let's go and see our landing page, and even we can manage our landing page from here. So let's go and see. This is the landing page that we have created, and it have been appeared on livelesson.subscribemenow.com. And if you're placing your own website, that time that website link will be here. Even we have some pop-up over here, and we can even edit them as well. So this is all we have for this landing page.